Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, let's grab our watch and open the menu on it. To do it, press the lower button on the left side of the watch. Once you open the menu, use the upper and lower buttons to scroll through it. Find the settings option and then press the middle button to enter. In settings, select the general settings and press the middle button. Then select pair and sync and press the middle button. Here, scroll down, find the option called paired devices, press the middle button. And here you should see the name of the phone that your watch is paired with. Press the middle button, press the middle button again, and you will see the message pairing removed and no devices paired. Now go to your phone that was paired with your watch, open the Bluetooth settings on it, and in Bluetooth settings you probably will see the POLAR Vantage M right here on the list of previously connected devices. Tap on the settings next to it, tap on forget, and tap on forget device to remove it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.